Hey girls, it's your homegirls back at it again with another episode of Feelings Explained. Feelers, you know the drill. Follow us on all our social media channels at Feelings, XBLAINED on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also, hit that 5 stars on Spotify.
Hit the bell button so you will be notified for our next episodes, and be a certified feeler today by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Please, please, please. Our bank accounts are in the description box of each and every episode, so you know what to do, guys. And last but not the least, you can also share your own feelings with us, or if you want any advice from your resident feelers, we are here to serve you. So drop us an email at feelingsxplained@gmail.com.
Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
So, ang win ko ay yung mga shows na napapanood ko. So, para hindi lang focus sa The Bear, kasi bias na bias po talaga ako sa pagkakataong ito. Nanood din ako ng Chewing Gum, which is, I love.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love it. Did you watch?
I haven't, but it's on my list.
It is fucking amazing. It's like, there's not one episode na hindi ako tumawa na laugh out loud.
Yeah.
And ang sarap lang kasi parang when I have that, you know, boisterous laugh, parang, oh my God, I am living, I am alive, God is so good.
Yeah. I love Tracy though.
Amen. I love her so much. So, I love The Bear, I love Chewing Gum. Oh my God. Yon, sila nagpasaya sa akin sa bingit ng paghihirap kong ito. Parang nakakalimutan ko yung mga paghihirap, pagsakripisyo.
Yung humbling moments.
Yes. Sila ang nagpapadaloy sa akin ng pag-asa.
Yes,
Oh,
wow, pag-asa.
Amazing talaga. Like, I feel it so much. I love it. Kaya, yun, sila ang win ko. Hi, Carmi. Hi, cousin. I love you so much.
Richie!
Richie, I love you! Wow, yun lang. Okay, so, if you guys are watching The Bear, then you're cool. How about you?
I have a shit of the week.
Okay.
Muntik na akong malumpok. Okay, extension.
Ano ka,
Pero-
hero? Bayani?
Sis, kasi naman, okay, I'm gonna paint the picture. So, nakasakay ako sa angkas. Tapos, itong putang inang, Toyota na two-door, biglang umarangkada.
Yung high is?
No, siya, parang siyang, it looks like a sports car.
Oh.
Na Toyota, na two-door.
Mm.
Nakita niya na kami. Imposible hindi mo kami makita kasi nasa harap mo kami.
Oo.
Bigla ba naman kaming kinat? Paano?
Okay.
Na muntik na talaga yung paa ko. O yung as in yung tipong gumanon talaga ako. Sabi ko, parang
Saan
kami.
banda? Saan banda?
Dito sa, alam mo yung flyover pa BGC?
Yeah,
Coming from Makati. Yeah,
Oo.
exactly. Nandun kami sa area na yon. So, ako, naloka ako talaga.
Wait lang, sino may kasalanan, yung CRV? Ay, yung Toyota?
Yung Toyota. So, syempre, loka yung lola mo. Tapos, kahit din si kuya, naloka din siya. So, nung medyo kumalma-kalma kami parehas, sabi ni kuya, ma'am, okay ka lang? Sabi ko, okay naman ako, kuya, kala ko lang talaga malulumpo ko. Tapos, sabi niya,
Buti hindi ka nahulog.
buti nga, te.
Kasi madami akong nababalita ang nahuhulog.
Oh my God.
Anyway.
Ayun nga. So, sabi niya, yun nga, mami, kasi nakita niya na nakasignal na ako eh.
Oo.
Tapos, bigla niyang inarangkada.
Fuck that.
Tapos parang
bitch.
ako, grabe naman to, hindi man lang kayo pagbigyan. Alam ko namang traffic.
Oo.
I get the jitteriness ng isang driver
Oo.
sa traffic. Pero parang, well, pagbigyan mo na kami, pwede ba?
Totoo. Oh my God.
Sa mga car drivers po dyan, if you know what I'm talking about, at naiinis po kayo sa mga motor, pagbigyan nyo na kami, tit.
Anyway, but yeah, I accept
Yeah.
their pain. I accept their struggles.
So yun lang. Yun ang aking shit of the week.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Pat, this episode is something that people have been waiting for. By people, I mean myself.
Yes. I love it.
Because ito I think makaka-relate ang karamihan ng ating feelers, because most likely they have gone through this. Ano nga yung topic natin? From high school? We're not the same person we were when we were in high school.
Yeah. Para may
Context.
baseline tayo. Okay. I feel like maingay pa din ako.
Okay.
I'm still boisterous.
Okay.
Ako yung type na tao nung high school na parang, I say what's on my mind sa mga kaibigan ko. Na parang, okay, sige, fine. Alam mo, I feel like ganun ako. Ha? At saka, nung high school,
Did you feel accepted? I mean, as in general, like,
I feel accepted with my friends.
okay.
And that's it. Parang, sa akin, yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. Kasi what others were thinking,
You don't
parang,
mind.
oo, tapos parang ayoko na silang isipin. But of course, there were bullies na hindi naman mawawala. And nung high school, kilala ako as the person na palaging nag-volunteer.
Okay.
Papampam,
Is it because
bibo,
you're a people
pansin.
pleaser then?
Yeah. Tsaka I always, tinatanong ako, I remember this, tinatanong ako palagi ng high school teacher ko na, bakit ka ba ganyan? Wala bang attention na binibigay sa'yo? And it was like a genuine question. So I'm
Sino
really not
nagtanong?
offended.
Office mate? Ay, sorry.
Teacher.
Oh.
Teacher.
Oh.
And it was a genuine question na parang bakit ka ba papansin? Ganon. I mean, not in those exact words.
Hindi
Oo. Pero parang
Are
sabi
you
niya,
not
kulang ka ba
being-
sa attention? Parang ako, oo. Kasi magulang ko na sa, nagkatrabaho
Actually, busy nga
Busy
talaga
sila
sila.
eh. So,
They're doing grown-up things and you were a baby girl.
Yeah.
I get the
ganon.
the appeal of being that girl.
Oo. Yung mga
Oh.
hindi nagbago, mas procrastinator ako dati noon and I was more prone to bullshit.
Okay.
Oo.
I mean, you are the bullshit? Or...
Yeah, I'm the bullshit and then I feed the bullshit. Na parang, yeah, I was not accountable.
Okay.
I was not accountable. Parang hindi ko naman kasalanan na ganyan. Hindi ko palaging hindi ko kasalanan.
Oh,
Ganon.
makes sense. Okay.
Tapos, ako din yung type na tao nung high school na parang masyado kong matulungin. Kasi parang I always wanted to help people as much as possible.
Okay.
Kahit-
Out of the genuine kindness of your heart
Out
or
of the
just
genuine
because
kindness
epal
of
ka nga?
out of the genuine kindness of my heart. yung kami may competition sa school. Magkakalaban lahat ng years.
Oh.
Tinulungan ko yung kabilang classroom.
Oh my God! Eh, anong ginawa doon sa ka-team mo? Wala.
Sa
Hindi ka
classroom
nagtulong
namin.
doon.
Tumulong ako sa classroom namin.
Tumulong ka din. Tumulong ka na dito sa'yo. Tumulong ka pa sa iba.
Oo,
Ang galing.
tapos sabi ng mga
Tangina,
klase ko,
Samaritan si Puto.
sabi ng mga klase ko, sige, doon ka na. Doon ka na. Bakit sila tinutulungan para sa akin? Sa'yo lang naman Parang I don't see the point.
Okay.
Ganon.
Yes. That's so cute though. Okay.
Oo.
High school to ah.
High school to.
Ang galing. Okay.
High school to.
How did you see yourself when you were in high school though? Okay, that was kasi that was how you were perceived and that's what you
That's
think.
how I was.
That's who you were, yes.
Oo.
But what were you thinking about who you are? Or, gets mo ba? Yung parang nag-i-internal, ano ka ba na? Who am I?
I wanted
Or
to
wala?
be the cool girl. I wanted to be the, alam mo, Peyton?
Oh,
I wanted to be
yung
Peyton.
paastig-astig pero
Yes.
softy inside.
Softy inside. I wanted to be that. Pero, down the line, na-realize ko naman din na, but hindi talaga. I wanted to be the cool class clown.
Okay.
But it's not
not-
working.
Yeah.
Oo. Parang, sige, okay na kung ko.
Ito ka na.
Ito na ako.
A
Tsaka,
girl from Cubao.
a girl from
Cubao,
Cubao.
taga-Cubao na ba kayo nun?
Cubao na kami noon. Nung nagkamuha ako sa buhay, dumilat ang mata ko, ay, nasa Cubao na ako.
Diyan ka ba sa QC pinanganak?
No, Manila ako pinanganak.
Oo nga pala. Okay,
Oo.
anyway. Okay.
Okay. So, basta dumilat na yung mata ko, nasa Cubao na ako. Tapos,
At people pleaser ka.
at people pleaser na ako, sinabi ni Lord, wait, there's more! Tapos, so yun yung gusto ko sanang mangyari na hindi naman siya I feel like hindi siya nagka-translate.
Okay.
So, I also, basta I remember I was the bubbly kid. that's
you
for
were full
sure.
of life.
Yes, I was
I love
full
that.
of life. I
Okay.
was, ako din yung napapagalitan ako yung, naalala ko, meron ako yung isang teacher namin, nabigyan ako ng 75 sa kanda, ako 70, kasi nagungongo kami nung isa kong kaklase. Gago first year yun. Ang sama talaga. As in, parang sabi ng teacher namin, first year to, parang, why are you? Sabi niya, Miss ganito and Miss Berin, bakit kayo tumatawa? Hindi ko yung makapagsalita. Nagungongo kasi kami. Tapos, at saka, ang masama kasi doon, mean girl din naman talaga ako. Kasi, yung teacher na yun, hindi ngongo. Kasi, ang tawag ko sa kanya, Rocky Road.
Kasi,
Hindi pa ipin niya.
oh my God.
Ang sama, girl, di ba? Because we had
Woo!
nicknames for teachers.
Oh, you were those kids.
Yeah, we had nicknames for teachers. Meron kami isang teacher na
Oh my God.
hindi ko na sabihin kung anong tinuturuan
yung-
niya, kung ano
okay,
tinuturo
oo.
niya. But we call this teacher Professor Snake.
Oh my God, okay.
Kasi yung haircut niya parang si Snake.
same. Oh my
Oo.
God. Gets.
Meron din kami isang teacher, tawag namin sa kanya, oh my God, I'm sad. Sana mo ng teacher ako nakikinig. Pero, meron kami isang teacher, ang tawag namin sa kanya, Blink 182. Kasi palagi siya nag-blink.
Oh my God.
Meron kami isang teacher dati, ang hilig niya sabihin yung word na like,
Oh,
na
very
binibilang namin.
nagtatali ka.
Nagtatali kami I was horrible.
Yeah.
Gago ako nung high school,
Okay.
pero hindi yung sobrang cutting classes gago. Hindi naman ako ganun.
Okay. May takot ka pa sa Diyos.
May takot pa ako sa Diyos. Oo. Tapos,
Gets.
ito pala, lastly, ako yung
Oo.
high school na parang pauso.
Ikaw yung trendsetter?
Hindi trendsetter. Alam mo yung takot naman ito pauso. Kasi nalala ko
ikaw
nung high
yung-
school,
Okay.
meron kaming group namin, nagdala kami lahat ng bowls. Tapos meron kami dalang cereal. Tapos kumakain kami ng cereal sa bowl with freaking milk.
Okay.
As in, nandun kami
As
sa labas ng class,
breakfast.
as breakfast or lunch. Tapos ako yung girl na kumakain sa likod ng classroom ng
Mm.
kanin sa first subject.
Girl, gutom na gutom!
Gutom na gutom. Tapos yung nag-a-attendance, nasa si Miss Berin, nag-aayos po ng books, pero tututrigong makain ng corned beef sa baba.
Oh my God!
Oo, girl.
Habang kinikwento mo, parang hindi ko maisip na high school yun.
Kasi it feels
Kasi
like,
parang ang bata, ang
Mm-mm.
juvenile. Wow. Hindi naman
wow,
sa...
oo. So this is the upgraded version of me before.
Hindi, nakakatawa lang kasi I love going back to that. But I'm pretty sure that, yeah, you're no longer that bitch.
Ikaw ba?
It feels like that.
How were you perceived before?
I honestly didn't think about it. I think, ako, ang alam ko lang, kung sino ako, was, ako lang yung, konti lang yung friends. Ayoko sa mga boys. Kasi, okay, so, transition was from all-girls school in Manila, I went to fucking Batangas area. So, like, what the fuck is this? Charing! Like, what the fuck is this slum?
It's giving Emma Roberts in Wild Child.
Oh my God. Yung ganun. Okay, so from the urban ba ang Manila?
Yeah, urban.
From the urban, I went to the rural. So like, what is this? Charing. Very ganon, very ang arte ko. Pero, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pagtingin din talaga sa akin. Parang hindi ko inisip yun eh. Ang akin lang was, I wanna get out of there.
Mm-mm.
Like, oh my God, maybe that's why I'm always like escaping things. Or like,
Yeah.
metaphorically escaping things. Kasi, ever since, parang lagi ako nag-look forward to the day that I'm out of that place.
Yeah.
Not because okay, here's the thing. Nobody's mean to me. Nobody's bitching me. Wala silang ginagawa sa aking masama. So, ako lang yung maarte talaga na parang hindi ako sanay dun sa environment na may boys. Kasi, yun yung parang first time kong mulat yung isip ko na, oh my God, may boys na sa classroom. Hindi ako sanay.
Yeah.
Nalilikutan ako sa kanila, tapos naguguluhan ako, naiingayin ako. Lahat ng mga hindi ko na-experience sa all girls, ito na sila, and they're all makulit, and they're all like fucking juvenile. So I'm like, oh my God, what is this? Ganun. Pero nagkaroon naman ako ng friends gaya. Pero ako I'm not a straight A student kasi bobo talaga ako sa math.
Same. Mm-mm.
Pero, studious talaga ako, girl. Walang araw na
Not
hindi ako
same.
nag-aral. Walang araw na hindi ako nagbasa. Walang araw na hindi ako nagbasa ng diary. Ganun, as in like, I am very, very studious. I do all my homework. Like, I'm that girl. I'm the most reliable girl ever. Like,
Wow.
I'm just so fucking perfect.
My mother would have loved you.
As in, like, I was doing good stuff. Like, wala pa akong sungay noon. Like, God, oh shit.
Oh my God, sis.
Ganon, girl. Hindi mo ako sabihin na, oh my God, si Mama Mary. Hindi.
Hindi.
Ramdam ko na yung fire ko inside of me
Oo.
eh. Pero I was just doing God's work.
Yeah, you were acting like a real high school student, as in a studious high school student.
Yes. Siguro kasi, yun nga, parang na-humble din ako with the background na parang, grabe, since 2006 na pala ako humble. Charing. Hindi na, I mean, like, parang, kasi alam ko yung pinagdadaanan ng family namin that time.
Yeah.
Na parang, meron na akong consciousness talaga na medyo mature na ako.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga ako yung parang sasali sa mga katarantaduhan. Ayoko ng mga sabit. Yun ang sure akong ako. So parang, and it's not for anything na parang pinilit ako maging ganon. Dinisiplina talaga kami ng tatay ko na parang kailangan maayos ka, gano'n.
Yeah.
So, feeling ko, nadala ko naman yun, yung being responsible and all that. But I never thought that I would be like, at the end of the high school journey, parang mga third year, fourth year, mas madami na akong friends na boys versus girls.
Oh.
Na-adapt. Parang, kumbaga, as in, kabanter ko sila, ganon. As in, sobrang cling ko pa nga. Walang mali siya sa akin yung kunwari, mag-hug-hug kayo. Walang mga ganon-ganon. Very, very open, ganyan.
Yeah.
So yun, natuwa naman ako kasi, in fairness naman, nagka-character development ako in terms of like socializing with other, people na hindi ko nga kauri.
Yeah.
Or like, hindi, kumbaga, male counterparts.
Yeah.
Ganon. Siguro, I'm the girl na makikay talaga ever since. Like, I'd love exchanging magazines.
You're like the low-key girlies.
Oo.
Who are not exactly super bright, but not exactly super bobo.
Oo.
Yeah.
I'm just pretty, I think, average. But I was also an honor student. Consistent akong honor. Hindi yung pinakamataas, ha?
Oo.
Kumbaga, ay, wow, yay, naging
Parang top
honor
3,
ako.
oo, ganon. Mga
Oo.
top 5.
Oo, mga ganon. Basta, at saka, kasi actually, medyo, din yung high school ko. Parang, I don't know, like, they have this star section. Lagi ako nasa star section.
Ay, wow.
Well, not just, not to brag, but yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Actually, sasabihin ko doon is hindi ko alam bakit kailangan may ganun. Kasi parang maganda na I think no mga second or third, parang nagbago na sila ng patakaran eh. Kinalat na nila yung mga stars.
Yung mga matatalino. Dapat lang.
Kinalat na nila.
Oo.
Oo, pero tanda ko talaga first year, lahat talaga nung bright. Ay, dito sa classroom namin. So parang, naging bobo ako kasi madami talagang brighter sa akin,
Oo.
girl.
Ganun. Grabe. Wait, are you the type of person who enjoyed high school?
No. I didn't really like it. Kasi nga, I wanted to go back. Like, I wanted to go back to the
Oh,
city.
you hated high school?
Okay. Hate is a strong word, but I did not love it. I mean, if you would put me in the spectrum of, do you like, I'm just in the neutral thing.
Oo.
Parang, okay, let's just get this over with. Nandun
Oo.
ako eh. Lagi ako nandun sa, please, let's just get this over with. Parang hindi siya like, di ba how films portray high school, na parang, this is the time that the best time of your life.
No.
Bitch, no. Like,
Ako, alam mo sa'yo.
and thank God I did not peak there. Because like, no, I would not accept that.
Yeah. Ako naman, ako kasi yung type na tao na I hated high school. I mean,
You hated it. Okay.
it was bearable.
Okay.
It was bearable dahil may friends ako. Kasi kung yung group of friends ko lang tignan ko, okay, I liked it.
Yeah.
Pero like the whole experience, I feel like hindi.
Talaga.
Kasi, alam mo, minsan mahihiya na lang ako sa mga ginawa ko eh.
Gets.
At saka yung parang,
mga cringe moments mo
cringe
yun.
moments. At saka yung parang how people talk to you, how people view you. Na parang,
no?
oo. Ang sa akin, nagigets ko siguro yung way nila na tangina mapapansin naman ni Pat. Pero, ang sa akin, ano bang pakialam nyo? Hindi naman ako...
Hindi naman ako nang babastos yung mga gano'n.
Oo, siguro kung naiingay kayo, I'm disrupting your peace, sorry. Pero, mga putang ina, pagbayaan nyo na ako mabuhay, di ba?
Kung epal ako.
Oo, wala na kayong papel doon. Kailan naman,
Ang epal naman nila. I mean, like, so parang feeling mo, lagi kang pinapakailamanan.
Hindi naman. Siguro dumating na sa point na napagod na rin siguro sila. Sipunin kasi ako ng bata.
Oo, nasabi mo.
Oo, sipunin ako ng bata. So, wala ako palaging hangki. Ang hangki ko, which is kadiri nga naman talaga ngayong iisipin mo.
Panyo.
Hindi, yung alam mo yung sa damit, yung pinupunas mo na siya sa damit.
Yeah.
So, pang-asar nila yon. Pang-asar nila sa akin na parang, girl, hindi na nga ako sinisipon eh. So, parang, can we stop this?
Oo, yeah.
Oo, ganyan na parang, ang sa akin, okay.
Oo, ang annoying.
Oo, ang annoying na lang.
Yan pala din mga taga
Oo. Maraming mga mean girls sa amin.
Oh my God.
Maraming mga mean girls sa amin. So parang ako, takinan nyo.
Alam mo, ako naman, I would say, there's not really like mean girls. Or maybe I didn't give a fuck. Pero parang I don't remember having mean girls. Siguro rowdy boys. Yung mga boys talaga na lagi talagang, well, wait lang. All girls ba ikaw nung high school?
All girls kami.
Oh, yun.
Ako yung rowdy eh.
Okay, ikaw yung makalat.
You wouldn't like me in
Yeah,
high school.
I think so. So, yeah, it's like the guys, parang ganon, sila naman yung, parang, sila yung laging napaprinsipal, na eme, ganon. But I mean, now they have families and whatever.
Yeah,
and
good for them.
Good for them. But like, really?
Bakit na?
Yeah, you can cancel me right now, here and there, sa episode na. Kasi alam ko meron ako mga high school people na nakikinig.
Nakikinig,
And hello
yeah.
po sa inyong lahat,
Akin
mga
din.
kapamilya.
To my high school friends, I love you so much.
Thank you so much for
Uh-uh.
spending time with me for that 4 amazing years. But like, I did not like it that much.
To my,
I mean, I don't hate
yeah.
it naman, pero...
May message ako sa mga not so friends ko nung high school. Fuck you guys.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
thank you for listening.
Yeah. Ako hindi, wala naman akong ka-eme. Wala naman akong anything.
If you meet your high school self, would your high school
Oh.
self be proud of who you are right now?
Right now, I think she is. Yeah, she would be. She probably should be.
She'd be happy for you.
I think so naman. Yes. But I don't know if she realized what it took me to get there, to get to this point. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm at the point where like, oh my God, diba? Hindi naman.
Amazing lahat. Oo.
Oo, hindi. Pero kumbaga, girl, you did
The plan.
you did the work.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the boxes were all ticked in your opinion
I think
from your high school self to this.
I think so. I mean, actually, I didn't have a list before.
Oo.
Parang meron lang akong idea, pero hindi clear kasi sa akin eh. Actually, siguro yun yung masasabi kong kailangan pala clear sa'yo. Yung parang, ano bang gusto mo? Like, kanina when I had this meeting, parang doon ko lang na-realize na, oh my God, I should have a roadmap of... I mean, it's great to have a roadmap, but there's many detours kasi talaga.
Yeah.
So, hindi mo
True.
maiiwasang, sige, let's just live as the day goes by.
Yeah.
Pero I think it wouldn't hurt if meron ka ding projection, diba? Of
Yeah.
what
Totoo.
your life, what your life would look like in a few years. Nung bata kasi ako, sobrang simple lang talaga ng gusto ko, diba?
Oo.
Ang pinakagusto ko lang talaga maging mix VJ.
Oo.
Na never nga nangyari yun. So parang, ilang beses ko na bang sinabi sa mga episodes, pero mix VJ lang talaga, sobrang yun lang.
Yeah.
But then, I think, syempre, nanganak na yung mix VJ kasi wala nang mix, wala nang,
Yeah.
hindi na rin, ano ba? Pero, parang, to some extent, nagagawa ko siya eh.
Yeah.
Through the things that I'm doing now, even before, and other projects, parang fulfilled siya. So, I wouldn't say na let down ko yung sarili ko. Feeling ko, nagawa ko naman.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Ako, she'd probably be disappointed with a job.
Oh.
Kasi,
now, or,
now,
No.
kasi very clear sa akin nung high school na I didn't want an office job.
yeah,
As in, like,
oh, so, okay,
never.
wait. So, does that mean, even if it's so clear to you then, that's not really how it, well, definitely, obviously.
Yeah.
Diba? So, okay, so I shouldn't be sad that I didn't have a clear picture of who I was gonna be.
Maybe.
Diba?
Maybe.
Kasi parang,
At least, but the good thing is that you have a vague idea
oh,
of what you wanted
I
it
wanted
to be.
that, yeah.
Oo. Ako, I had a clear picture na it's still a vague idea, but the scenario was I will never have an 8 to 5 office job. Never.
Yeah.
In my whole freaking life.
Oh.
Kasi I don't want that routinary, boring thing. Basta clear sa akin yun. I wanted to do something artistic. I wanted
Okay.
to do, I wanted to be in music. I wanted to be in the music industry.
Okay.
Gusto ko nun, hindi ako marunong mag-gitara, but I want to be a music producer. Oo. Pero mahilig lang ako makinig ng music. Yun lang yung alam ko. I don't know any single thing about music.
Creating
Oo,
it.
about
Yeah,
creating it.
gets.
Akala ko nga dati hindi mo maririnig yung bass eh. Yung pala naririnig ko pala yung bass eh. Like, alam mo yung mga ganon?
yung mga technicalities.
Yung mga technicalities, like, ang iniisip ko dati, ang galing naman ng backup vocals. Paano kaya yun? Parang yun nire-record. As in, I have no idea how it happened.
Yung mga thoughts mo na yan, or parang aspirations mo na yan, nanganak lang siya because of the things that you saw, like, on TV, or whatever. Paano, or because, yun nga, na-enjoy mo yung
No.
music. Ano siya? Saan siya
I
nanggaling?
mean, nakikita ko nag-work sila. Kasi mga mapapanood mo naman parang, syempre yung mga old Filipino films na, honey, I'm home. Tapos may dala silang mga ano. I felt like that's not me. I don't want to be stuck in an office.
Okay.
Given sa personality
Yeah.
ko na very, very curious sa mga bagay, mahilig mag-discover.
Yeah.
Ang hobby ko nung college ay mag-aral ng what do you call this? Accents.
Oh, yeah.
So, yung mga ganun type na parang sa akin, I don't see that in an office.
Exactly.
Oo, parang okay sa akin mag-film.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung ganun.
You get all the creative
Oo.
work talaga.
Kaya ang sa akin, if I meet my high school self now, na parang, what happened?
Yeah.
Tapos mag-explain ako sa kanya, pero bakit ganito? And I know she's gonna be annoying as fuck.
Oo.
But, yeah, parang ang dami niyang tanong sigurado. At saka that motherfucker is also a fucking liar. So,
Who's that motherfucker?
my high school self was
Oh! Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ako naman opposite. I'm afraid to lie.
talaga.
Oo. Kasi ang hirap eh. I cannot hold up a lie because it's like, kailangan ko ilahanin yun. Tapos ito, tapos mag-pretend na, parang nasistress ako lalo.
Oo.
So, I will shut up. Yun lang. Omission
Oo.
lang ako. Kung maglalay ako, parang, I'm just not gonna speak about it.
Oo.
Yeah.
Lie.
Yes.
Pero ako sinahuli ako sa lie. After nun, medyo natakot na ako.
Natakot ka na.
Yeah.
Diba? So ngayon, now that you're in your full-fledged adult self, ano yung mga bagay na hindi pa nakaka-move on yung mga tao about your old self? That kind of like stuck with them and they think that, oh, it's still Pat. The Pat now that I know is that Pat from before. I mean, meron ba?
I think meron. But I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing.
Mm.
So, I think it's a good thing kasi parang tingin nila, jolly pa din siya, bubbly pa din siya.
Yes.
So, I think, tsaka madaldal. Kasi
Oo.
yun eh.
Yun yung
number
branding
one.
mo.
Oo, madaldal, maingay, noisy.
Oo.
Yan, ako yan. But when it comes to being noisy, ngayon, I would take somewhat an offense to that in a way.
Okay.
Kasi, yes, maingay ako. Yes,
Okay.
madaldal ako. But, ayoko na kasi ng brand na noisy. Kasi na para sa akin yung noisy ay yung parang tatalak ka na lang for the sake na tatalak ka. And I don't, I feel like, feeling ko lang naman I feel like I'm not that person. Yes, I'm a bullshit person. 50% of the time, meaning ko yun. But I feel like hindi naman ako yung type na tao who just makes noise for the sake of making noise. Alam mo yun?
Gets. Okay.
At saka, ang sa akin, and kunyari yung branding din na, I don't know if people also thinks that I'm a liar or whatever.
Okay.
Up until now, na parang, kung dadalhin mo pa rin siya sa akin ngayon, sino yung hindi nag-grow sa ating dalawa?
Oh.
The fact that you're judging me as someone na hindi pa nga buo ang Maslow's hierarchy of needs, hindi pa nag-self-actualize, at immature na bata, na i-compare mo pa din siya sa akin. I think, between the two of us, you're the immature one. Because tinitignan mo ko as a ganitong tao.
Diba?
And that's fucked up.
Correct.
Diba? At saka, yung uutuin ka kasi, utu-utu ka nung high school.
Yung akala nila maluloko ka pa rin nila
Oo,
ngayon.
na parang, how fucked up are you
That's
to
right.
do that?
Yeah. My God. There are people like that.
Yeah, ikaw ba? Meron ka ding bang, babalik ko sa yung tanong mo, are there icks that you experience thinking that you're the same person?
Actually, hindi ko alam. Pero
Yeah.
hindi ko rin sure kasi wala naman akong sobrang like tight relationship with high school people.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a few friends na parang, okay, yeah, we're good friends. But I think, again, I'm in my self-protecting era.
Yeah.
That I am very intentional who I spend my time with. And most of the time, I just spend my time with myself.
Yeah.
Grabe. And I'm not lonely like that. It's not, pero, yun. Hindi ko sure what they think of me now. Siguro, I think, I'm easily read, but the reading is inaccurate. I think, in general, that's my notion of how people think of me. Maybe also specifically for people in high school. Na parang, they probably would think of me as somebody na, ito na siya ngayon. Yung mga shit na gano'n. Na parang hindi ko alam na parang, well, I don't know if you're thinking that or what.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam. Actually, ito yung thing. I don't know if there's a person in high school who actually knows the Gian Viatka now.
I feel like no.
Diba? I mean, I don't mind. Alam mo yun, parang,
Yeah.
I'm over it. Actually, my ick is people who are like intensely attached to it. And maybe because hindi ako attached. So, never ko maiintindihan yung attachment ng mga taong mahal na mahal yung high school.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi nga yun ako eh.
Oo.
Hindi yun yung mundo ko eh. Hindi ako lumaki. Parang, lumaki ako doon, sure. Of course, I learned shit there. Yeah, I honed whatever. But, that's not my whole entire world. I have a bigger world.
Yeah.
But, diba? I mean, like,
Totoo.
Yun. So, parang ganun. And here's the thing, it's all in my head naman.
Of course, you meet with your high school friends pa naman din.
This year, no.
Like, in
Before.
general.
I mean, siguro if there's an occasion, if I'm needed
Hindi.
there.
Di ba pag magkakasama kayo ng mga high school friends mo?
Ah.
I don't know if you do this.
Okay, go.
Pero kasi kaming mga barkada.
Wait, yung barkada mo ngayon, mga high school friends mo, di ba?
Yeah, we're tight.
Okay.
Oo.
But you're not, like, crazy over high school.
Most of us didn't really like, we enjoyed it because,
You guys were friends.
kasi parang yung enjoyment ng high school ay dahil magkakaibigan kami.
Oo, exactly.
Pero, ang consensus nung madalas
Ng-
doon na parang,
ng grupo nyo,
oo, na parang,
wala din kayong pake masyado.
parang, yung iba, parang, okay lang, neutral.
Oo,
Yung iba,
oo.
parang, fuck it, I hate it.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero kasi kami mga mag-friends, we talk about the people that, yung mga batchmates namin na very, very different yung notion. Like
Okay.
parang kunyari sa high school, 'di ba? Meron dong isang tao na alam mo mabubuntis ng maaga. Alam mo mabubuntis ng maaga. And
Pero hindi nabuntes.
pero hindi na buntis. Oo. Meron na kaming ganyan na parang, uy, tangin na proud ako sa, parang
Parang,
sa kanya siguro proud siya sa ganun kasi alam niya ganun yung tingin sa kanya ng mga tao na mabubuntis siya ng maaga. Pero alam mo yung ganong sense of overcome
yeah,
na parang ang sarap minsan sa mga
na, yay, you overcame this.
Oo. Syempre tayo naman. Siguro
Oo.
tayo di naman natin alam po anong iniisip sa atin ng general
Oo.
consensus sa
Hindi ko
atin
rin
eh.
alam.
Ako din
Pa-survey nga po.
Di ba? Pero I feel like that's a really good way of saying fuck you to those people.
Yeah, to those naysayers.
Oo, to the naysayers na parang, tangina nyo, akala nyo mabubuntis ako dati dahil boy crazed ako.
Ay, masasabi ko, gusto ko lang i-announce sa mga college friends ko to specifically my college friends who thought I'm gonna be fucking pregnant by yesterday. Well, I did not. I am not pregnant. Amen. So yeah, fuck the news. The naysayers.
Sana itanong sa'yo, guess what? Ano, may asawa ka na? Ganon naman.
Wala rin.
Ang sarap minsan lang talaga sa feeling. Kasi yun yung ultimate na fuck you na I am not the same person as I was like before.
Yeah.
Like even if I was boy crazed, I still managed to straighten my shit out.
Yeah. Would you think, now that you mentioned na, diba, you guys were, I mean, all throughout your high school, all girls kayo, would you think your behavior and who you were would have changed if may boys?
Yeah, definitely.
Really? Like, you would be less yourself? Di naman.
Actually, I don't know eh.
Okay. Pero sa tingin mo lang, knowing who you were, would you like adjust and be like a baby girl?
Siguro oo. Siguro kung napunta ako sa isang co-ed school, siguro magpapabebe ako.
Gets.
Ako feeling ko nung una magpapabebe ako, tapos parang sabihin ko, tangina pat hindi ka naman nila gusto.
Tapos hindi rin ako shy. I mean, shy ako pag crush ko. Normal naman yun, di ba? Yun naman yung natural. Pero pag wala kang pakialam sa'yo, wala akong pakialam sa'yo.
Ako kasi shy kasi ako sa first meeting eh. Tahimik ako sa first meeting.
Okay. God. And also, I think I was always an officer din. So parang, alam mo yung, in terms of like authority, I know na hindi ako pwedeng basta-bastahin. Yung ganun.
Maiinis ka nga sa akin kung secretary ka, tapos ikaw nagsulat ng noise, maiinis ka sa akin.
Talaga.
Oo.
Ang galing, no? How life happened and we met at the time where we don't fucking slash each other's mouths.
You would hate
I can imagine.
Oo. But you know, if you were one of the smart girls sa school,
I wouldn't really say smart, but I was studious. Okay.
Tapos tinabi ako sa'yo. Sabihin
You would
natin,
hate me.
No. I could probably charm you into helping me.
To become a better student?
To help me become a better student. Kasi ganun yung ginawa ko sa mga klase kong matatalino. Oo. Imbis na pakopyahin nila ako,
nagpapatulong ka.
sabi ko sa kanya, uy, pakopya. As in, dire-diretso. Kunyari ko yun. Uy, kunyari papasahan na, seat work. Uy, Gian, pakopya naman ako. Tapos sabi niya, bakit hindi mo ba nagigits? Ito ituturo nila. Tapos minsan, pag wala na silang time para ituro, pakopya nila ako after ituro nila.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. I remember 2-3 of my seatmates
Yeah.
were like that.
Now that I realize it, feeling ko kasi, kaya siguro din ako sobrang responsible and like all that. I didn't know what the world is beyond my school. Beyond my life. There. Parang, okay, ito na yung buhay ko ngayon. I have to do good. Parang at the back of my head, yun yung perception ko of high school. Or like, whatever it is that I was doing at the time. Actually, I realized mas focus pala ako dati. Parang bigla ako nagkaroon ng ADHD nung tumanda na ako na parang, what the fuck, I cannot focus anymore. But
Oo.
feeling ko ganun eh. Parang ngayon looking back na parang, alam mo yung as if my life depended on this, so I have to do good.
Oo.
And also because siguro takot ako sa tatay ko.
Takot ako sa nanay ko.
Mga
Oo.
takot. Oh,
Mga takot. Pero alam mo, ang pinaka-proudest moment ko nung high school was nagkaroon ako ng line of 8 sa math. Tapos, slowly, nakikita ko yung as in, happy na ako na nakatungtong ako ng 80. For the first time in my life, nagka-80 ako sa math. Tapos, inatawan-tuwa talaga ako. Tapos, nakikita ko siyang tumataas, nagiging 84, 85. Parang sabi ko, oh my God, mom! Siyempre, nanay ko hindi naman siya happy. Kasi sabi niya, ba't hindi 89? Sa loob ko,
ito na po yun!
ito lang yung utak na binigay sa akin ni Lord. Pagbigyan mo na
Oh
ako.
my God.
Oo,
Okay.
kasi matalino yung ate ko eh.
Lahat?
Yung ate ko, line of 9. Oo, nagtatop.
So
Ako
nasa
kasi
kanya
hindi.
yung brains.
O, nasa kanya yung brains. Nasa akin yung daldal.
The mouth.
Napunta sa akin yung mouth.
Oh my God.
Ganon.
Okay. Okay, so last question. If there's one thing that you want to give your high school self, like an advice, ano yun?
Okay. I'm gonna address the camera for this. Okay. Pat. Anong year to? First year, second year, bahala na si Batman.
Buong high school. Oo.
Okay,
In general.
sige,
High school in
general.
general.
Pat. Totoo ang sinasabi nila, maingay ka, madaldal ka. Pero okay lang yan. Bawasan mo lang yung pagiging madaldal mo. Kasi nga man, totoo naman, maingay ka naman talaga. Pero enough naman na yung friends mo.
Yeah.
Enough na yung friends mo. And whatever those bitches are saying, fuck them. You
Fuck
don't
them.
need their approval.
Amen.
You don't need their acceptance.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, wala naman sila sa buhay mo. Hindi mo naman sila friends ngayon. Nakikita mo lang yung updates nila sa Facebook. Tapos makita mo, okay, siya na pala
Buntis na
yan.
siya.
Okay, ganito na pala siya. And that girl na you think is so cool, girl, if she peaked in high school.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung isa na parang tawan-tawa ka, alam ko, kailan mo yung parehas tayo ng iniisip, Pat. Yung parang tingin mo, ay, ano siya, medyo angas-angas tong taong to, tapos minsan nakakatawa siya. Wala.
Hindi
Huwag mo na siyang isipin, girl. Okay na yon. So, pagdating mo ng college, bitawan mo na yan. Bitawan mo na yung ganyang attitude mo kasi mapuputang ina ka lang eh. Papagurin mo lang yung sarili mo dahil mong trauma. Tignan mo ako ngayon. Tigil mo na. Kaya ka nag-o-office job eh. Dami sinabi.
Speech pala. Oh my God. Anong tawag dun sa, hindi declamation eh. Yung kapag ka-graduate na kayo.
Speech.
Ay, speech lang ba yun?
Oo, valedictorian, yung graduation speech.
Very that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ikaw, I want you to address the camera.
Oh, I hate breaking the fourth wall.
Wow!
I'm no Fleabag. Sige lang. Mamangarap ka pa. Ituloy mo lang. Kasi kahit di ka maging mix VJ, may podcast ka naman.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, and to everybody who's like crazy over high school, like, girl, it's not to be crazy about. I don't know what they
Keep that shit to yourself.
I don't know
Joke lang.
I don't know what they make you eat.
If you think that it's the shit, okay, it's the shit for you, but it's not for everybody.
Yeah. Like, get over yourself, yun lang.
Ay,
Yeah, thank you so much for that.
yun na ba yung where do we go from here natin?
Pwede.
Sige.
Kasi wala naman na kayong pupunta. Hindi na kami mag-MA.
Oo.
Mag-MA ka ba?
May plano ko dati.
Talaga. Ako minsan
Pero
naisip
ko
din.
yun eh.
Pero parang escapism lang.
Ay, exactly. Dudog ba rin?
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys.
This has been Gian.
And this has been Pat.
Bye!